Hello everyone. So today we're going to find missing angles in a triangle and a little bit of review from last week, finding the angles with a pair of parallel lines in a transversal. So I'm going to do number one with you. Yes, you must include this as part of your assignment, but I'm doing it for you free of charge. That's also how I know if you watched the note video or not. So here on my separate piece of paper, I'm going to put number one. And I like to redraw it. Do you have to redraw it? No, but I got to at least see the math. So we have 60, we have X, and we have 40. And I'm trying to find this missing angle in this triangle. And the cool thing about a triangle is all the angles add up to 180 degrees. So we have 40 plus 60 plus X equals 180. Okay, 40 and 60 is 100. And we're going to subtract 100 from both sides. And X equals 80 degrees. That's it. I mean, if you don't want to redraw it and just show that, that's fine. If you just put 80, you got to show me the math, even if you do it in a calculator. Like I did all that in my head, my human calculator. That's fine. Okay, but you need to show what you put in the calculator on paper. All right, the next two, there's only two questions. Again, I'm going to do one of them with you. So I'm going to white the X out here and the X out here on the actual assignment when I get back to school on Monday. Here I just crossed it out. So you're going to redraw the problems below, large and neat, right? Big, and fill in all angles. So there's one angle filled in for you. So that means you got 7 other angles to fill in. So this is the other number one. All right, I got 2 lines kind of going this way that are parallel. Nice and big. Look how nice and big that is. And this transversal goes through this way. So I'm going to go through that way. And I've got 91 degrees here. Okay. Now, we're going to get our 2 different colored pens. Okay. Here they are. Ignore the fact that that's red. Okay, here are our 2 different colored pens. In fact, I'm going to cover that up. Okay, I have red angles. Okay, this is, I wrote in red, so I'm going to make that a red angle. Remember, vertical angles are going to be the same. It's also going to be red. That means these 2 angles, we're going to put black. Okay, just dots. No letters, no numbers, nothing confusing, just dots. And now we copy and paste because we have corresponding angles. So that means the top 2 here will be black and the other 2 here will be red. Now, before I do any math, I know that all red angles are 91. So I'm going to fill this in, 91, 91, put a degree symbol there, 91. Boom, there's half the work done. Now the other angles are all supplementary. So what does that mean? It means they add up to 180. So that means we have to subtract to find our black angles, 180 minus 91. Oh crap, gotta borrow. Let's see, gotta borrow again. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, so that means this is 89, this is 89, this is 89, and this is 89. Boom, that's it. Okay, so you guys have one more of those, which is number 2. Again, I'm going to white out the X and the X for you. I forgot to do that before I left. So that will be whited out for you. And it's just going to say find all the angles. So you just redraw it and draw in, write in all the angles just like I did. And then on this side, I did number 1 with you. And then you have 5 more, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, you don't have to redraw the triangle. I personally like to, but I want to see this math here. I don't want to just see an answer. That's why it's a lot easier to do it on a notebook or on a scrap piece of paper, use a notebook, than it is to try to type it on the computer. And that is it for today.